You are a style connoisseur, but even your chic sensibility understands that sometimes fashion has to take a backseat to function. Introducing Granite Shielding, the phenomenal no-maintenance, no-mess granite sealer that will have your granite functioning at a level worthy of its stunning appearance. And Granite Shield comes with a lifetime seal and warranty.
Hi, I'm Craig with Granite Shield. Today we're going to show you how to clean and seal to maintain your stainless steel refrigerator. As you can see, most refrigerators have streaking problems, fingerprint problems, discoloration. This is normal in stainless steel. Everyone I talk to says, I love stainless steel, but I don't like the maintenance. So we're going to show you how to do it easy, maintenance-free, clean and seal on stainless steel. First thing we're going to start with is our cleaner. We're going to just spray it on and wipe it down using a white terry cloth towel. As you can see, the cleaner is good, but it still doesn't get all the streaking out of the stainless. The reason stainless steel is so hard to maintain is that the cleaners that they recommend and the stainless steel right out of the factory contains oxidation and oils. The cleaners contain mineral oil, and all mineral oil does is wipe off the fingerprints and then make it susceptible to more fingerprints. So what we're going to do today is replace the oil with carbon crystal and then put the Clean and Shine polymer on it, which is water-based, and it will reduce the fingerprints, the streaking, and everything else that causes problems with stainless steel. Now we've got the initial oils. See the dirt that we pulled out of the stainless steel, yet it still isn't streak free. So now we're going to move on to our oxidation remover, and this takes a little bit of work and patience. The idea is take a towel, apply the chemical on, and then go with the grain of stainless steel. You always want to follow the grain or you can scratch it no matter what you do. So always follow the grain. Keep your palm flat, rub it on. You see the oxidation we just removed out of that after cleaning it? This is normal. You're going to get this. The more oils and oxidation in your stainless, the blacker this is going to go. So just do a nice flat palm, follow the grain, and then you can eliminate, you see all the streaking right here. Takes it out just that easy. Now we've finished wiping the stainless steel with the oxidation remover, and as you can see, we got a lot of oxidation off. Now we're going to go back to our cleaner, and we're going to clean the surface one more time. Again, follow the grain. Now we finished cleaning the stainless steel, and you can see we're still getting oxidation off. So now we're going to go to our sealer, and again, it's just as simple as spray on and rub in. Make sure you coat the whole thing very well. Don't miss any spots. And you can see the patina change right in front of your eyes. And again, you're going to get more oxidation. Now we finished applying the sealer over the whole door. All that's left is using our Clean and Shine Aftercare. Again, we're just going to spray the whole thing down. Rub it on, following the grain of the metal. And it's safe for plastic, so you can just coat everything in it. Clean and Shine is not only an excellent cleaner, but it leaves a repellent coating as well on all surfaces. So all we're going to do is apply it first. Make sure you coat the whole door evenly. After you've applied the Clean and Shine over the whole door, the last step is to use a microfiber towel and remove the excess and buff it to a nice, beautiful shine. And this is where you want to take your time to even out the door, remove all the excess, and you'll get a nice, beautiful shine on it. When you're finishing the job, you're going to have unevenness in the stainless steel, and if you reapply the Clean and Shine and then just rebuff it, again keeping a flat palm and rubbing it until you get the desired effect. Now you're all finished with your stainless steel refrigerator. It'll be a lot easier to remove fingerprints, as you can see. They go away on their own. And all you need is a microfiber towel and your Clean and Shine to maintain it. And it's as simple as spray on, rub in, and buff off. Thank you, and enjoy your new refrigerator.